So our role at Trinity Chapel up here in Abertillery is to provide a library service and an adult education centre based up here on the High Street. So now we've brought both services into one, both of them work very closely together, a lot more accessible for people.
This used to be a chapel. My brief was, can we retrofit this building into a library and adults learning communities facilities? Existing buildings are always challenging. The walls are solid stone walls, so anything heated internally will seep through the walls. So we have to make sure the heat stays in, so we've insulated the walls, we've added air source heat pumps, because we didn't want radiators, we want to maximise the wall spaces. So underfloor heating with the air source heat pumps, just making sure that we adopted the right technologies.
The Energy Service delivers something called the Local Authority Low Carbon Heat Grant on behalf of the Welsh Government, and this is a capital grant fund for 90% of the cost of the heat pump elements of an energy efficiency project. It can be quite daunting taking on a heat pump project, especially when you're retrofitting an old building. So it's important to work with a design contractor who has the right expertise to take you through that process. But I think at the moment the market is developing really fast. There's lots of extra projects being installed across Wales. So the supply chain is strengthening, costs are coming down, and there are designers out there who really understand how to install these systems now.
So the environmental targets for Trinity Chapel align with the Trust very closely. This started as a project really to do the right thing. Everyone wants to cut their energy carbon footprint. Over the years, with the energy crisis, it's more evolved into actually making our buildings sustainable and more cost effective as well. It's a win-win all round.